Meet our professionals. As modern marketers, they know the best way to increase their sales through creators.
But it's so inefficient.
Right? You spend hours trying to find the right one.
Then there's the hassle of negotiating.
And most times it doesn't even pay off. What the
Wait, have you tried Upfluence?
Upfluence?
Upfluence. It's the first platform that allows you to identify and engage with your influential customers. Customers? Well, creators are people too. And they also have their favorite products they buy on the regular. It means that Upfluence's unique algorithm reveals influencers who already love your brand.
So all the searching and qualifying?
Exactly.
Wow.
Sounds great. But how does it work?
Well, in a few taps, you can start identifying creators without ever touching a search engine. Upfluence analyzes your database for you and reveals creators throughout the entire customer journey.
For real?
Yes, and now that you've found your perfect matches, you can start collaborating with them.
Okay, wait just a hot minute.
Yes?
What if your brand has only just started? We don't have a big customer list or social following. Just yet.
Oh, that is so fine. If you're a new brand, you can look through our community of vetted creators. And there's more. You can even manage your campaigns from start to finish. Organize and contact creators, monitor their sales, and measure ROI. With Upfluence, gone are the tired old days of influencer marketing. No more lost ROI and not quite right creators.
So what are you waiting for?
Unlock the brand's real potential by using Upfluence today.